Hi everyone, welcome back to the Last Minute Garage. This is the second part of our Outer Banks Jeep invasion video. We begin after a long ride on the back of a Jeep Wrangler. We unloaded the Barbie Jeep and prepared the driver to meet the public for the first time. As you will see, it was a lot of fun and even won some prizes. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment on your favorite Jeep or part of the video. Thanks for watching.
He's just puppy. He's never seen one before.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Barbie. There's some bubble gum and stuff in there.
Is required.
Thank you for my gun. It's a big. Big. Yeah.
Thomas Jones.
Even better than that. Wait, we have YouTube.
Oh, great.
And also
What you got running that thing?
it's actually 4 Power Wheels motors.
Okay. Really?
And it's a tank controller from Amazon that I bought, just a cheap RC.
That's so cool.
Because it makes it really turn.
You know, where I'm from, they actually do mud hogs with these, and they have races with them.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So a lot of guys have done some crazy modifications to them.
Oh,
so
crazy.
That's cool to see that because I don't see that around here very often.
I've never seen one where somebody made it 4-wheel drive like that.
Yeah,
I see where you can buy them,
Yep.
but
It's like a kit you could buy.
Yeah, but they're not zero turn
No,
still.
not zero turn.
Yeah.
No.
So, and I use it to do yard work and stuff.
Yeah,
with. It'll pull a 1,200-pound capacity cart
Oh, wow.
loaded with limbs.
That's awesome. That's
Uphill,
really
as long
cool.
as it's not wet. It's got way more torque than you expect.
Yeah, no, that's really cool.
Throw some rubber bands on that thing.
Oh, heck yeah.
Get some more traction.
Well, she come over, she wanted to do a ramp travel index. I didn't know if y'all had ones for some smaller vehicles.
No, not today. Maybe sometime, but not today.
Oh, okay.
What's her name?
I don't know. No one's named her.
Oh, well.
Well, she kind of looks like Barbie, but that's coincidental. Hey, thanks for checking it out.
All right.
Yeah,
Have a good day.
She's had better days.
Yes, yes.
people. How's it going?
That's cool.
Oh, thanks. I guess it's. We've got a YouTube channel. Appreciate you checking it out.
Hold on.
Oh, thank you so much.
Hey, Mitch.
We just got done. It's a rainy day.
Oh, cool. Oh, thank you. The Jeep has its own YouTube channel.
She's had better days. Have a rough day. Bad hair day. Me too.
Candy in there if you want to. Be aware that it'll scare you sometimes. That's awesome.
That is too good.
Here, we got a YouTube channel. So. All right.
No deal.
Barbie's had better days.
Yeah. It's been a while.
Yeah.
Thank you.
This is a custom made piece that goes off.
Awesome. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.